Dogecoin value sort of equivalent to $0.0800 a coin, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.0796 0.0805, or so they thought. The earlier day close, 0.0798, which for the most part is very huge. The change generally was plus 0.0002, plus 0.25% in a quite large way. Converse rate, USD to Doge. Dogecoin value expectation for in the not-so-distant future in month, so Dogecoin value sort of equivalent to $0.0800 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.081. By and large greatest 0.087, kind of least 0.075 in a really significant manner. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $0.081, greatest 0.087, lovely least 0.075, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.080, sort of greatest 0.086, least 0.074, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.082, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.088, kind of least 0.076 in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.077, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.082, in every practical sense, least 0.072, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.073, really most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068, so the earlier day close, 0.0798, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.068, essentially greatest 0.073, kind of least 0.063, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $0.070, truly greatest 0.075, truly least 0.065, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.071, extremely greatest 0.076, really least 0.066 in a very significant way. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.072, fundamentally most extreme 0.077, certainly least 0.067. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.072, truly greatest 0.077, kind of least 0.067, so essentially reverse rate, USD to Doge, which explicitly is very huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $0.073, most certainly greatest 0.078, truly least 0.068, which most certainly is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.076, truly most extreme 0.081, truly least 0.071, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.075, by and large greatest 0.080, truly least 0.070, so Dogecoin value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month, so Dogecoin cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.0800 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.074, kind of greatest 0.079, especially least 0.069, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.075, in every practical sense, greatest 0.080, certainly least 0.070, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.077, lovely most extreme 0.082, all things considered, least 0.072 in an exceptionally huge way. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 22, cost $0.076, truly most extreme 0.081, certainly least 0.071, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.073, by and large most extreme 0.078, especially least 0.068. In about a month, Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.067, kind of most extreme 0.072, genuinely least 0.062, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.065, lovely most extreme 0.070, in every practical sense, least 0.060. Certainly further appearance how Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $0.070, kind of greatest 0.075, beautiful least 0.065 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost $0.075, truly most extreme 0.080, really least 0.070, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. USD to Doge swapping scale essentially equivalent to 12.5047 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 124270, 125644 in an essentially enormous way. The past day, S nearby, 12.5360 in an every practical sense, significant way. Change for now 0.0313, 0.25%, which basically is very critical. USD to Doge cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 12.346 coins, essentially most extreme 13.333, especially least 11.494 in a truly significant way. USD to Doge expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 12.346 coins, lovely greatest 13.333, genuinely least 11.494, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 1, cost 12.500 coins, kind of greatest 13.514, fundamentally least 11.628, which for the most part is very huge. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 12.195 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 13.158, exceptionally least 11.364, exhibiting that the past day, S nearby, 12.5360, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 12.987 coins, genuinely greatest 13.889, truly least 12.195, or so they essentially thought. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 13.699 coins, extremely greatest 14.706, really least 12.821, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 14.706 coins, genuinely greatest 15.873, lovely least 13.699, which basically is genuinely huge. USD to Doge forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 14.286 coins, especially most extreme 15.385, by and large least 13.333 in a for the most part huge manner. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 14.085 coins, most extreme 15.152, sort of least 13.158, or so they explicitly thought. In about 14 days USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, May